first thing I want to do, as you can see, my meat is lightly brown, okay? I've got some pork fingers in there, and I've got some ribs in there, pork ribs in there, because I love that in my beans. Hey, you serve these beans over rice with that awesome gravy it makes, and you got your meat. That's all together in there, Shad. It's going to cook about 6 hours. Anyway, first thing I want to do, I soaked my beans and I cleaned my beans. Now I'm putting a whole pack of beans in there. 16 ounces. So I'm going to have me some beans, baby. Ooh, Lord, yeah. Alright, next, I want to add 4 cups of water. Not bad. Now these, don't forget, these beans are going to swell up some. And I got a lot of meat in there. But everything's cool. My crock pot is big. Smoked sausage. Gotta have smoked sausage. You gotta have some smoked sausage. Yes, indeed. Now, I'm going to use some dry ingredients instead of, like, okay, I'm going to use a half a bell pepper chopped. I'm going to use 2 cloves of garlic chopped fine. I'll be using about 3 or 4 stems of green onions. I'll be using 2 sprigs, complete sprigs of parsley. A little salt. You know what your salt level is. You know what you like with salt. Garlic powder, I'm gonna put it. Well, I'm already putting garlic in there, so I'm not gonna do garlic powder. Celery, you want to use 1 stalk of celery chopped finely, and put all that in there. Cayenne pepper, or the kind of seasoning, Cajun seasoning you like, you add it to it. You put whatever you want in there. Okay, this is your pot, your crock pot, your family. You do your thing. Like I said, you use your regular ingredients. This is going to equal to the same ingredients right here. Exactly the same. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover this rascal up. Let it set a few minutes. Turn it on. And do our thing. Oh, look at that rascal, huh? Look, we're going to plug it up, and I'm going to look at that in about 6 hours and see what happens. Hey, this Chef Bork, I'll see you later, Chef. If I don't forget, I'll video the ending results. Now don't forget, got a lot of meat in there, 4 cups of water, a pound of beans, small white beans. Now that's good right there. My God, I want to taste it so bad, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. It's been cooking about 2 hours so far. Anyway, my white beans and pork ribs and pork fingers are done. And I tell you what, you just can't beat it. Dang, boy, I tell you. This is Chef Bork. I'll talk with you later, Shan. I'd like to finish talking, but I want to eat. Thanks for stopping in. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh, yes.